Hello designer friends, in today's video I am going to show you how I have designed this logo. I have designed this logo for a competition in freelancer.com maybe 1 or 2 years earlier. Today I am going to remake and show you how I have designed this. Okay, I am Atiqur Rahman. Let's get started. Let's draw a line and set the stroke width to 50 and make it 250 pixel. Okay, let's zoom it in. Let's rotate it 25 degree and just delete the previous one, and let's make it a shape. Okay, we should crop it out and take some parts. Let's the height to 150 and we need this part from the middle. Okay, let's pathfinder and select intersect. Okay, it is one part of our A, and let's draw this part. Okay, now draw another straight line and let's rotate it 25 degree again, and let's rotate this part something like 65 degree. Okay, and just delete this. We should reflect. Okay, and place it. Yes, align it and let's make it bigger, and we should reflect it as well and place it at the left just to the corner. Okay, it is nearly done. As I mentioned it previously, it is very simple logo, so let's make a copy and reflect it vertically. Copy. Okay, just drag it, place here. Almost done. Let's make an ellipse to place here. We should group the two and height should be 150. Okay, and I should go with 45, no 40, 40, no 45, let's say 45 will be okay, and align them. Let's write the name appwork.dk. app.dk. Okay, Montserrat the font maybe. Yes, Montserrat. Let's pick the color blue and orange. Appwork also blue dot dk is okay. We are done. Let's create it outline, expand appearance. Okay, we should place all center. Let's group them and let's go with the width 150. okay, and it is 300. Yes, okay, here it is, and you can see it is an abstract logo and how easy to make it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button.